Hey, I'm here at the First Party Claims Conference, and I'm speaking with Ray Kirby, and I was looking at a paper that his firm, Childress Engineering, had done on insurance and building codes, and Ray's here and talking about building codes and how they apply with respect to reconstruction and the impacts that the codes have with respect to coverage under the insurance policies. And Ray, why don't you tell everybody out here what you've talked about at the First Party Claims Conference, and for what it's worth, I'm going to have this posted at the very bottom of this blog, this entire paper. It's really a great paper.
Thank you.
And why don't you tell everybody a little bit about what you're speaking about tomorrow?
Well, it starts out kind of as a capsule history on how codes came about and how insurance and code development went hand in hand through the years, starting all the way back in 1770 BC. One of the first codes on record, Hammurabi wrote a code that was pretty severe. If the builder didn't get it right, he got his head cut off. So,
now Ray, where are you based out of?
We're Dallas, Texas. Richardson's our home office.
I imagine for people that are watching, and a lot of our readers of the blog, it's there's an awful lot of Hurricane Ike cases going on down there with code issues. Are you finding that?
We've had quite a number, yes, down in South Texas area, yes.
And what are some of the big issues that are rising out of Hurricane Ike?
Probably the biggest one, curtain wall, glazing, a lot of roof damage.
And how does that all apply with respect to code?
Well, it goes back to Florida, actually. At one point, Hurricane Andrew made a significant difference in the codes whenever it cut through Florida on its way to Louisiana. A lot of the wind design criteria that's in the codes today is the result of studies following Hurricane Andrew. They evaluated the loss, the insurance companies were involved, the code officials, and they realized that they had to do something to hopefully avoid similar losses. So the wind speeds changed and how you design buildings to deal better with windstorm events.
Now, Ray, I take it the way that claims handlers try to use your services is somewhat of an expert on the code, and you write reports for insurance companies and policyholders about how a reconstruction may be impacted with respect to code considerations.
That's a lot of what it is. I support our people in the field primarily. I get to the field from time to time, but I do the digging. What's different about the code in Florida compared to Texas or California or wherever, Mississippi or wherever our people happen to be supporting our clients to do that investigation on site and write the reports that will help them resolve their claims.
Well, I appreciate you talking with me. For everybody who's watching, this is a very important topic with respect to insurance coverage. Sometimes it's called code upgrade coverage, sometimes it's law and ordinance coverage, but it is absolutely one of the most important types of coverages that you have to buy, which are typically additional coverages under the insurance policy. Many times the increased cost of building to new codes is excluded under many insurance policies, so you have to ask your agent how you go back and put that on your policy so that you have that coverage, and when you're rebuilding and you don't know whether or not a code is going to apply and you just need some help, a person like you, Ray, can help out an awful lot with respect to digging into those codes, writing up the report so you're certain you're getting the full amount of the coverage that you need. Ray, thanks very much.
Sure. Appreciate it. Thank you.